1969 Pontiac GTO Hardtop Coupe. Price: $32,677. Location: Florida, USA. The 1969 Pontiac GTO Hardtop Coupe is more than just a classic American muscle car. It is a symbol of an era when horsepower ruled the streets and bold styling turned every drive into an event. Finished in an elegant dark brown exterior, complemented by gleaming chrome trim and a beautiful cream interior. This second-generation GTO captures everything enthusiasts love about late 1960s performance machines. From the moment you see it, the aggressive stance and unmistakable twin-scoop would remind you why the GTO earned its legendary reputation. The power beneath the hood is exactly what muscle car fans expect. A robust V8 engine paired with a Holley 4-barrel carburetor delivers the deep rumble and thrilling acceleration that made Pontiac one of Detroit's performance leaders. Smoothly connected to an automatic transmission, this GTO offers effortless cruising, while still providing plenty of power whenever the accelerator is pressed. Whether you're heading to a weekend car show or enjoying a scenic highway drive, this classic delivers an unforgettable driving experience. The equipment list makes this California-built GTO even more desirable. It features factory-style Pontiac Rally 2 wheels measuring 14 inches in the front and 15 inches in the rear, power windows, front disc brakes, dual exhaust, chrome bumpers, twin hood scoops, autometer gauges, GTO side emblems, and even 2 spare tires with the original jack. Every detail reflects Pontiac's commitment to combining style, comfort, and performance into one unforgettable package. The interior continues the impressive presentation with comfortable bucket seats, featuring headrests, a sporty 3-spoke steering wheel, a center console, a classic Delco stereo, and a fender-mounted antenna. The cream-colored cabin creates a striking contrast against the dark exterior, giving the car a refined appearance while maintaining the unmistakable muscle car personality that collectors admire. Every drive feels like stepping back into the golden age of American performance. The VIN confirms that this authentic GTO was originally assembled in Fremont, California, adding significant collector appeal. Its original California black license plates reinforce its West Coast heritage, a feature highly valued by classic car enthusiasts. Fisher body craftsmanship and Pontiac engineering combined to create one of the most respected muscle cars ever produced. And this example continues that legacy with reported excellent mechanical condition. The 1969 Pontiac GTO wasn't simply built to compete, it was built to dominate. During the muscle car wars of the late 1960s, Pontiac pushed the boundaries of power, design, and performance, creating an automobile that still commands respect more than 5 decades later. Its bold styling, unmistakable V8 soundtrack, and legendary reputation continue to attract collectors around the world.